John saw in vision. Example lang niya, in John chapter 13 verses 1 and 2, sabihin sulti, kung saan may makita mo diha? 7 heads and 10 horns and leopard like. Okay? Nakita ninyo? Nakita mo leopard na 7 heads and with 10 horns? Magawas pagdidigan sa dagat? Is it literal? You never see that one. So, it should go, you see, makita mo literal yung una-ana. Muna yung hikandutan pagbasa ako sa book of Revelation when I was still a child. It should go without saying that while a large portion of Revelation is symbolical, not everything in it is such. Dili tanan symbolical. There is a mixture of figurative with the literal. But sometimes, ang literal o symbolical, they are both used together, no? As in